Hello everyone, this is Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. We have completed our grammar topic
Finite and non-finite verbs.
If you have missed that video, then you can go back and check it out. It's a revision time, so
Today my two students Sonia and Vanshika
are coming to give the presentation on the grammar topic.
finite and non-finite verbs.
So stay with us till then. So let's start.
Hello everyone, today we are going to present two parts of verbs. First of all, we will understand what is verb, then parts of verb. Then we will present some examples of finite and non-finite verb. What is finite verb? Finite verbs are those verbs which change according to person, tense, subject and number. And now Vanshika, tell me about non-finite verb.
Non-finite verbs are those verbs which don't change according subject, tense, person and number.
Good. So now Vanshika, tell me about the verb change according to tense.
The example for tense change is I enjoyed teaching English and I enjoyed teaching English. Enjoyed and enjoyed are changing here, so these are finite verbs, and teaching is same, so these are non-finite verbs.
So now we are going to do some examples of verb change according to number. So first example is Tina plays cricket. Second example is Tina and Reena play cricket. Here Tina is singular and in the second example there is Tina and Reena both, which is plural. So now verb is changing. Here will be plays and here will be play. So these were the examples of tense change and number change. So thank you.
That's all for today. See you tomorrow with another presentation.